I have with me is a fiber bundle which we use for home decoration, and you can see that so what I've done, I put a torch at the end so that light gets coupled into this glass bundle, and you can see that all the light comes through the fiber at the end. It is most important to notice that these are solid core glass fibers, maybe about 200 or about 300 of them, and there is no light coming in between except some light kind of, otherwise no light is leaking and all the light is coming at the end. It's very important to notice this. So this can be explained because light get coupled at the end of the fiber and it gets totally internally reflected and reaches the other end. So this explains how light goes through an optical fiber. This a simple way of explaining how light goes through a fiber. And very important to notice, the fiber is not hollow. It has a core and a cladding. So this particular glass fiber, the central portion would have slightly more refractive index than the outer portion, and that's what causes total internal reflection. Now what I'll do is I would use the same bundle and I'll put light coming from 3 LEDs. I have a light coming now from an yellow LED, light now coming from a blue LED, and now light coming from a red LED. So at home, what this particular decoration piece, what it does is, they have a lamp at the bottom, you might have seen, and a motor, and they have put a color filters, they put it there, and as the motor rotates, different colors get, light gets coupled in the fiber and you get different color. So this is just to illustrate how an optical fiber works. Now I'll use a plastic fiber which is 1 millimeter in diameter, and therefore the light which you can see will be much more. I'll put some light at one end and you can see the light is quite intense. So this plastic fiber is used these days for home networking, and I'm told that Reliance and others are installing this in Navi Mumbai also, and this is used, and it's a very flexible, and for short lengths up to about 50 meter or 100 meter, these fibers can be used for home networking, and you can get at least 100 Mbps or 200 Mbps within home. Yeah, what I'll do now, I would use a much longer fiber of plastic fiber of 15 meters, and I'll put the same light, and the intensity will be less, but it may be difficult to figure out when you look at the light intensity. What I want to do now is to use the same plastic fiber for coupling light in from LED, and right now let me put the light coming from a red LED, and now let me put it light coming from an yellow LED, and finally the light coming from the blue LED. So this illustrates how light goes through, and you can also see different wavelengths. Now instead of an LED, if I use a laser diode, you would see that the light intensity will be much more. So lasers therefore are used when you want much longer link lengths. Now I want to finally show an LED going on and off, and how the light gets coupled into the fiber and reaches the other end. So you can think of this as equivalent to how you send data through a fiber. See, the LED or the laser diode would go on and off, and the corresponding light, whether it's LED or laser, would reach the other end. And the other end you would put a photo detector which would convert this into an electrical signal. So this just to illustrate kind of the proof of concept as to how light goes through a fiber. Finally, I want to show a ribbon type of a cable which has 12 fibers, single mode fibers, and those fibers, the outer dimension would be 125, and plus with some buffer it may be about 200 micrometer or 0.2 mm. Why I am showing this particular ribbon type of a fiber with this 12 fibers kind of kept side by side, and they have kind of put a plastic cover over it. This is very popular these days, and you would see that the cable photographs which I will show you later, all of them have these ribbon fibers put inside, because it's very easy to handle them, and there are 12 fibers which are there. Altogether there are 12 fibers, different colors. You identify them through different colors.